everyone, my name is Saurabh Gupta and I am from Electronics and Communication Department from Pranveer Singh Institute of Technology. Quarantine is the best time when you can learn new skills. So I decided to make a project on the topic soil detector. Here it goes. So the title of our project is Sustainable and Cooperative Agriculture Farming with Effective Use of Mechanization and Technology. Problem understanding. Farmers are unaware of existing technology in agriculture. Even if they are aware about these techniques, they are reluctant to adopt these modern techniques and relying on the orthodox method. Inefficient irrigation system, improper waste management, and not having sufficient knowledge about the quality of the soil. So, as we know that before designing any project, we must know that its importance and its implementation. So, the next point is who has this problem? In our country, 70% of the total occupation is agriculture. On the basis of person related, we can classify the agent on the following two types: directly affected farmers and indirectly affected farmers, that is rest of the populations. Why should this problem be solved? The next point is that why should this problem be solved? India's 25% agriculture has decreased due to the growth of industries. India's food security depends on producing crops, fruits and vegetables to meet the demands of the growing population. As we can see that production of food grains million tons in Kharif and Rabi seasons. Now the next statement is how we will know that this problem has been solved by analyzing and retrieving the data from the sensor applied on the farms on the increasing the fertility of the soil. We can analyze this that the problem has been solved by implementing the feedback system on our application through which farmer can give reviews through which we can measure the satisfaction level of farmers. Solution approach, and this is the most important key factor of our project, that is the flow chart. Start, the function start, and user will set the reading on the node MCU. If the reading is on, if yes, node MCU will take the reading will be uploaded on cloud, farmer gets suggestion on phone and reading on node MCU off. And this is the flow chart of our project. And the design of the products, that is the farm feed. It contains the color sensor which checks the NPK contents, that is nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium contents present in the soils, and also the moisture sensors, that is the sensor mode, that is solar panels, DC battery network and microcontroller, and the Android application through which data will be processed, and farmers get suggestion on the phone and the implementation of corrective measures on the feeds, and this is the output sent back to the cloud, and then farmer receive the suggestion on the phone. And this is the fishbone diagram of our project, and the main important, that is the description of our project. Our system consists of embedded system in the project which include the various sensor and Wi-Fi module. We are using optical sensor and electrochemical sensor which will collect the data from the soil of the field, and the data will be sent to the server and database after being selected by the farmers on whatever crop they are currently farming with the help of the application developed for their Android mode. The database consists of the table in which we are storing the information of the requirement of every possible crop with the expert opinion. Finally, according to the data match, the corresponding suggestion will be displayed on their phone if required, and also tell the farmer for which crop their field is currently fit. This is the project circuit diagram, that is the schematic capture of the project circuit diagram, and this is the bill material. What component we are using in our project, that is the optical sensor to measure the soil ion content, and electrochemical sensor to measure the moisture and pH, and node MCU, that is the microcontroller, and apogee sensor to measure oxygen and nitrogen content. So at last I want to show you the prototype of our project. We have the video how our project work. I want to show you the working of our project, and the working of our project is look like this. This is the working of our project. The data is collected and sent to the server. This is the working prototype of our project. Farmer gets suggestion on phone and he implement corrective measure to the fields. At last, I want to say thank you for watching this video.